Hey there! Let's explore how you can embed an affiliate sign-up form for an affiliate program from your Afflr affiliate marketing application into your Shopify store. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, start by navigating to the Program section and select any one of the programs. For instance, let's choose this Earn 10% and Offer 10% program. Once you're on the program page, you'll find a sign-up form section on the right-hand side, which contains a form ID. Your first task is to copy this form ID. Got it? Great! Next, let's move into the Online Store section. Begin by selecting the Online Store option. Within the Theme section, click on the Customize button for the current theme. At the top, click on the drop-down and select the Pages section, then scroll down. Now, click on the Create Template button. A pop-up will appear for you to create a template to customize how your content is displayed. After it's published, you'll assign it in the Shopify admin, which is what we're doing now. Let's give it a name, like Sign Up Afflr. Done. Click on the Create Template button. At this point, you'll see a new template appear. Now under the Template section, find and click on the Add section here on the left-hand side. Then select the App section and choose Afflr. You'll see a prompt indicating that a form ID is required to use the sign-up form. Paste the form ID code you copied from Afflr here. Once that's done, click on the Save button. Now let's head back because we need to assign a page to this template. To do this, select the Pages section and then click on Add Page. Let's title our page Afflr Sign-up Form. Once you've done that, ensure the visibility is set to Visible and the template is set to the one we just created, which is Sign Up Afflr. With all that set, click on Save. You're doing great. That's it for this part. Now, let's navigate back to our Theme section. You'll notice a message indicating that the template is assigned to the page we just created. Let's head back once more. Now, let's integrate this page into our Shopify store's menu. To add this page to the menu, click on the Content section on the left-hand side. Then find the Menu section and open the main menu. Within the main menu, we need to add a new menu item, so click on Add Menu Item. For the label, let's go with Afflr Sign-up Form. In the Link section, choose Pages. Select the page we just set up, which is Afflr Sign-up Form, and click on it. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm. All right, the menu has been updated. Let's preview it live in our store. Head over to the online store and view it. As you can see, the change is now visible in your menu. If you click on it, there it is. Anyone who wants to join your affiliate program can now enter their sign-up form details to create an account and join your affiliate program, after which they will be redirected to the affiliate portal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck with your affiliate program!